Hello friends, may you all be safe. Friends, CodeFormer is an advanced AI-powered, open-source face restoration algorithm. Results on blind face restoration in the wild. It designed to fix, enhance, and colorize old, blurry, or damaged facial photos. You can see the input here. View DFD-net results, then GFPGAN, then GFPGAN. And see the CodeFormer result on the far right. You can compare the results of other AI websites with the CodeFormer. It excels at removing artifacts, reducing noise, and repairing damaged areas in portraits. CodeFormer is often considered superior at restoring severely damaged images. Look up here, it's mild degradation in the image. While on the other hand, you will see the output image. Quality is a measure of excellence, while fidelity is a measure of faithfulness or accuracy of objective. High fidelity data means no information is lost. High quality data means it is useful, even if it is not a perfect copy. Sometimes high fidelity is necessary, archiving, while high quality is preferred for consumer consumption, streaming. Results on joint face blind restoration and color enhancement. Here's how it colorized a black and white photo. You can compare GFPGAN and CodeFormer. CodeFormer is generally better at handling severe degradation, while GFPGAN is often faster and better at maintaining the original identity. The leftmost image is the original image, while the rightmost image is the image repaired by CodeFormer. CodeFormer uses a transformer-based model with a fidelity weight. GFPGAN uses a generative facial prior to balance realism and fidelity. So why don't we try it on an image ourselves in this video? This is the link to the CodeFormer website. It is written that towards robust blind face restoration with codebook lookup transformer. Scroll down this page and come to the bottom. You will find the codes GitHub written in the materials. You have to click on codes GitHub. Clicking on it will open a new website, the link to which is in front of you. Here too, you have to scroll down the page. Here you will find 4 options. You have to click on the third option, that is, replicate. This will open the replicate.com site, which belongs to the CodeFormers. And you will get amazing results from this site. They have also given a demo here. On the left is the original image, while on the right is the restored image. You will need to log into this site here. If you click on Sign In, the option to sign into GitHub will appear in front of you. By clicking here you will need to sign in here, as I am signed in here. Here, when you click on Pricing, this page will appear in front of you. I will restore 2 or 3 images here, and show you. This is a blurred image, and I open it here. Here you will find the option of CodeFormer Fidelity. It balances the quality in lower number, and fidelity in higher number. 1 is its maximum number. Background enhancements should be checked, because it enhances background image with real ESRGAN. In the face upsample, it will detect the face. It is for upsample restored faces, for high-resolution AI-created images. If you want to scale up 2 times, write the number 2 here. After that you have to click on Submit. Running will start, after starting here for Output. And after processing, this image has been restored. This is our original image. You can see the quality of the image with 100% zoom. And after it is restored, view the image at 100% zoom. And also look at the quality of the image. This image wasn't too blurry. We'll try another image here. I open another image, which is much more blurry. You can see that this image is also small in size. I'm doing this in the 2 times upscaled, in same settings. That means I have submitted the image. If this image is restored here, I will show you the clear difference. This is our original image. I open this in a new tab. And this is the restored image that the CodeFormer did. The original image size is 618 by 368 pixels. While in the output we got image size 1720 by 1024 pixels. And how beautifully it has enhanced this restored image. Let me try another image for you here. This image that I have opened is black and white. And I'm submitting this in the previous settings. And we will now see the result here. It excels at removing artifacts, reducing noise, and repairing damaged areas in portraits. Here I open the restored image, along with the original image. Our original image has 505 by 335 pixels dimension. And the dimension we got in the output is 1544 by 1024 pixels. Now you can see that this is the original image. And this is after the image is restored. You can zoom in and see the restored image. If I zoom in on the original image here, this is an image with high damage and a lot of noise. You must have noticed a clear difference between these 2 images. Now let me upload an image here that is completely unclear. This is a completely blurry image. Remember that this CodeFormer site is for face enhancement. I submit this in the previous same settings. If you look closely at this image, it's a completely blurry picture. Her eyes, nose, lips, teeth, hair are all unclear. Even the shape of the hair seems vague to us. If I open the original image in a new tab, look at this image and its size. This image is sized 292 by 282 pixels. And the CodeFormer has restored and given us the image. The size of this restored image is 1060 by 1024 pixels. If you zoom in on the original image, you won't see anything. There is no eye detail, no nose detail, no full face detail. And this restored image is in front of you. How did it make the details of the eyes, the lips, the hair, the entire face, so clear? Remember that it has restored the image while detecting the face. So go to the CodeFormer website and open the Code's GitHub. This will take you to the replicate.com site. And then from here you will be able to restore your old damaged or blurred images. So you can see that this site of the CodeFormers is SCZHOU. You can see other AI websites that restore images. Compare all those sites with this website. You will get amazing results from this website. I hope you found this video interesting. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.